Yes. Still, we continue with the problem based on Cramers rule or determinant method. An equation in which three unknowns are there. Whenever there are two unknowns, there should be two equations. Whenever there are three unknowns, definitely there should be three equations. Among that, this is the first equation, this is the second equation, and this is the third equation. I have compared the first equation with a1x plus b1y plus c1z is equal to d1. Similarly, I have compared with the second equation. Whereas third equation, it is not a complete equation. It is not a complete equation. That means here x is missing. We have y and z and constant. X is missing. The one which is missing, we have to take 0 of that. 0 of x. So 0 of x plus y plus 2z is equal to 3. Then you can compare this with a3x plus b3y plus c3z is equal to d3. See, sometimes what happens while setting the question paper, sometimes the question paper, they may type or they may set the question paper with one equation wrong in the question paper. Sometimes it so happens like y plus 4z minus 3 is equal to 9. Or sometimes it will be like this. Okay, sometimes it will be like this. Sometimes it will be like this. X plus 3y minus 4 is equal to 9. Okay, sometimes we get an equation of like this. See, remember, most of the students, what they do is, they will think that here x is there, y is there, and constant is given. So therefore, this is not 4. They will change this one as minus 4z. The students itself, they will change the question paper. They themselves change this in the question paper. Okay, what they do is, if it is minus 4, what they think is constant is given. Already constant is given. Why you will give constant again? You will not give. So constant is given. One more constant is there. Y is there. X is there. You think that Z is missing and you will write Z. You yourself write the Z in the question paper and solve it. Remember, even though the question is wrong, you are not supposed to change the question. You don't have any powers to write anything on the question paper except your register number. Thinking that Z is missing, I will write Z. Okay, then I'll get the right answer. No. If you change in your question paper, who has to change the equation in the question paper throughout the state? Is it not so? So that is why you are not supposed to change. Okay, you are not supposed to change anything on the question paper. Whatever it is there, you have to take the same. If it is 4, you have to take 4. Even though it is wrong, you have to take what it is only. You don't have any powers to change. Not only you, even I don't have any powers to change the question paper once the question paper is being distributed. Okay, that's why don't put Z and do yourself. No, you don't have any powers to change it. You can't. What you can do is x plus 3y is equal to 9 plus 4. So x plus 3y, since z is not there, you can take 0z. You can take 0z because 0 into anything is 0 only. Okay, 0 you heng madidru barutte. So you can take and you write this one as 13. Okay, remember, you don't have any powers to change the question or equation, or you don't have any powers to change any question in the question paper once it is being distributed. Not only you, even the paper setter cannot change it. Because once you change yourself, who has to change throughout the state? Nobody will change. Is it not so? That means the question in the question paper will be right and you will be wrong. Even though you write the steps correct, even though what you have taken is correct, still it will be treated as incorrect and the marks will be given 0. So you don't have any powers to change the question on the question paper. So if you want these two constant, you can write constant one side. If it is missing, you can take 0 z only. So this you need to be very careful. Right. Next, coming to this question. Here he has given x plus 2z. For our convenient purpose, I have taken 0x. 0x is nothing but 0 only. If you write, it is nothing. If you doesn't write also, it is nothing only. The only thing is, I will get A3 value as 0. That the minimal change you can make it. So very clearly, we got A1, B1, C1, even D2, even D3, A3, B3, all the values you got. So first thing, this is the Cramers rule, this is determinant method. So what you need to do is, you need to find the value of D. So, sorry, you need to find the value of X, Y, Z. To find the value of X, Y, Z, you need to find out delta, delta X, delta Y, as well as delta Z. So first, delta is equal to, what is the formula for delta? A1, B1, C1. A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3. So what I can write this one? We have A1 in place of X, X is there. In place of A1 we have 2. A2, I will write column wise. A2 1, A3 0. Then B1 5, B2 7, B3 1. Similarly C1 1, C2 minus 6, C3 2. So this is plus minus x. I need to take 2. When I take 2, I need to eliminate the row and column related to 2. I will get 7 minus 6, 1 and 2. Plus into minus, minus 5. When I take 5, I will get 1 minus 6, 0, 2. Plus 1, when I take 1, I will get 1, 7, 0, 1. I hope from here you can do it. These are all second order determinant. So I will take 2. The product of principal diagonal, 7 2 times is 14. Minus of, plus into minus, minus, 1 into 6 is 6. Minus 5. 1 into 2 is 2. Minus 0 into minus 6. If you want, you can write 0 into minus 6, either plus 0 or minus 0. It doesn't matter anything. Plus 1. 1 into 1, 1. Minus 7 into 0 is 0. So 2, 14, minus into minus plus 6. Minus 5, 2 plus 0. Plus 1 into 1. So this is 2 into 20. Minus 5 into 2. Plus 1 into 1. So this will become 40 minus 10 plus 1. So 40 minus 10 plus 1. So delta is equal to 40 plus 1, 41. 41 minus 10 is 31. So this is delta. This is delta. Next. Okay, right up to this first. Yes. Now delta x, what is the formula? Delta x formula is what? Delta x is equal to d1, d2, d3, b1, b2, b3, c1, c2, c3. What is d1, d2, d3? Minus 1, minus 18, 3. And b1, b2, b3, 5, 7, 1. And c1, c2, c3, 1, minus 6 and 2. Now we are supposed to find out delta x. Delta x. Yes, same determinant method only. Minus into plus, minus 1. When I take minus 1, I will get 7, minus 6, 1 and 2. Plus into minus, minus 5. So I get minus 18, minus 6, 3 and 2. Plus 1. When I take 1, I need to eliminate this column and row. I will get minus 18, 7, 3, 1. Now minus 1. The product of principal diagonal, 7 2 times is 14. Plus into minus, minus. 1 into 6 is 6. In between them, I have to take minus sign. Product of principal diagonal minus product of secondary diagonal. Product of secondary diagonal is minus 6. Minus 5. Okay, plus into minus, minus. 18 2 times, 36. Okay, minus of, plus into minus, minus, 6 3s are 18, plus 1, minus 18, minus 7 3s are 21. 7 3s are 21. Next, this is minus 1, 14, minus into minus plus 6, minus 5, minus 36, minus into minus plus 18, plus 1, both are same sign, add, I will get 39 with negative sign, So this will become minus 1 into, if I add these two I will get 20, minus 5, it's minus 36 and plus 18, both are different sign, What happens? Is it again minus 18? Plus into minus, let me write once again, 1 into minus 39. So what I will get? Minus into plus minus 20. Delta x is equal to minus 20. Minus into minus plus 18 5 times. 18 5 times is 90. Plus into minus 39. So these two negative sign I will add. Delta x is equal to minus 59 plus 90. So the difference of these two will be 31 positive only. So this is delta x. Delta y. For delta y we have formula a1 d1 c1, a2 d2 c2, a3 d3 c3. I have taken a1 as 2 1 0, d1 as minus 1 minus 18 3, and c1 as 1 minus 6 2. Similarly, so plus here minus here plus. So plus into plus 2. When I take 2, I will get minus 18, minus 6, 3 and 2. Minus into minus plus 1. So when I take 1, I will get 1 minus 6, 0, 2. Right? Minus into minus plus. Plus into plus 1. So I will get 1 minus 18, 0, 3. So since I am taking minus 1, I need to eliminate this 1. Plus 1 I have taken. So I will get 1 minus 18, 0, 3. So 2. Now minus into minus. 18 2 times is 36. Minus plus into minus 18, because 6 3 times is 18, plus 1. 2 into 1 2, minus whatever it is 0 only, right? If you want to write, you can write minus 0, 1, 3, that will become 0. 0 into minus 18 is 0. So 2 minus 36 plus 18 plus 1 into 2 plus 1 into 3. Now this is 2, difference of these two is minus 18, plus 2, 1 into 2 is 2, plus 3, minus, okay, I will get 36, plus 5, if I add these two. So I will get delta y is equal to minus 36 plus 5, different sign, subtract. When you subtract, you will get 31, the greater number sign is minus, I will get minus 31. So this is delta y. Yes. Next, we are supposed to find out delta z. So delta z is equal to what? A1 B1 D1, A2 B2 D2, A3 B3 D3. So we have A1 A2 A3 as what? 2 1 0. Then B1 B2 B3 as 5 7 1. And D1 D2 D3 as minus 1 minus 18 as well as 3. So we need to find out delta z. So delta z is equal to, I am taking plus minus plus. So I will get 2. When I take 2, I will get 7 minus 18, 1 and 3. So plus into minus, minus 5. 1 minus 18, 0, 3. So if I take minus into plus, minus 1. So I will get 1, 7, 0, 1. As usual, 2, the product of principal diagonal, 7 3s are 21. minus of minus 18, minus 5, 1 into 3, 3, 0 into 18 will become 0 only, 1, 1 into 1, 1, minus 0. So that is 2 into 21, minus into minus plus 18, minus 5 into 3, minus 1 into 1, 2 into, this is 39, minus 5 3 times is 15, minus 1. So 39 into 2, how much it is? Is it 78? 78 minus 16. 78 minus 16. So delta Z is equal to 78 minus 16, you get 2, 6, 62. 62. So therefore, x is equal to delta x by delta. So x equal to what is delta x? 31 divided by 31. I hope delta x is 31. So 31 divided by 31. So I get x equal to 1. Y is equal to delta z by delta. Y is equal to delta z is what? Delta y. Delta y is what? Minus 31 divided by 31. Y is equal to minus 1. Next. Z is equal to delta z by delta. Z is equal to, delta z is how much? 62 divided by 31. So delta z is equal to 2. So this is the value of x, y as well as z. If you substitute in any one of the equation, you come to know that it is correct or wrong. If I put in this 2 minus 5 plus 2, 4 minus 5 is minus 1. Hence the values are correct only.